with a little friendly competition. Let's get started. All right, which institution do most of our alumni turned awesome mentors hail from? So let's see, is it Rochester, where they learned to juggle snowflakes and algorithms? NYU, where they balanced the chaos of New York with the serenity of coding? IIT Delhi, because they figured that mastering Python was easier than surviving Delhi's heat? Or is it Wimbledon? 7 more seconds. All done. It is indeed NYU.
So this is why, Anupam, I wanted you to stick around. Even the next mentor who is coming on today, Joy, he's a grad student from NYU. We do have, by the way, mentors from the other two. That's the reason we entered Rochester. Anya Greenberg is from Rochester. She's currently computational biologist at Children's Hospital in Boston. And we did have quite a few mentors from IITT, amazing institute that we have been really impressed with the alumni. This is one thing that we are really proud of. When we first started, it was Colin and I, where Colin is the other machine learning mentor. He's amazing. His enthusiasm, his passion for it is like infectious. And Anubhav was part of the first cohort where at that time, Colin was the only mentor. And now Anubhav actually has a tree. But yeah, let's see which one of you in the call today, maybe 4 years, 3 years, 2 years from now, you can join us as we expand our program. We need more and more mentors.
On that note, let's get moving to the next question. What's the core of STEMaway's virtual internship programs? Working with people around the world without jet lag? Projects that mash up disciplines like a DJ spins tracks? Is it the latest tech trends like generative AI for summer 2023? It's hotter than your favorite summer playlist. Or is it all of the above? 8 seconds. And the answer is indeed all of the above. What are starter projects? They're like mini projects or appetizers for your brain to get hands-on experience and hot skills. Is it like dipping your toes into a new sea without worrying about a shark attack? Or are they like top secret assignments for ninjas, except they're not secret and you don't have to be a ninja? Or all of the above? So on the leaderboard, we got some climbers. That's awesome.
So let me just chime in a little bit here, and we purposely kept this a little cryptic. The choices are, first one is mastery of skills. The second one is career exploration. So this is your opportunity. Even though you may be like heavily into full stack, this is your opportunity to try out machine learning with the starter projects, or the reverse. Third one, all this ninja stuff. What is basically what we're saying is that the starter projects are the evaluation for the internship. So there are evaluations embedded in each one of them. There's a question there on can we work on 2 projects at once? In the starter projects, you can work on as many as you want.
What support do you get for starter projects? Do you get an AI mentor because sometimes humans are too unpredictable? Do you get real sessions with real STEMaway mentors who promise not to bite? Do you get a group of expert freelancers who'd rather be doing this in their day jobs? Or all of the above? 8 more seconds. All right, it's shuffling around quite a bit.
Probably alumni chose real sessions with real mentors because that is what we used to have. That was the only one. This summer, we have introduced 2 more. The AI mentor, this is a very special one because as Anubhav was saying in his talk, with ChatGPT and the other technologies that have come in, education has changed, programming has changed. You can debate the pros and cons and whether it is good, whether it's bad, and all of those things. But the fact that it has changed, nobody can deny. One of the issues is that sometimes you don't know whether the answer you're getting is correct. And we have filed a patent on this. Our previous one on the resumes got accepted. We are waiting on this application. The concept is that you are talking with GPT APIs, but through our platform, it goes through the messaging. We are storing the data along with the user data only if you want personalized guidance, but we are more interested in just storing the QA sessions because what we are doing is the mentors are checking for correctness of the answers that you're getting from the AI. So sometimes You don't want to wait for the mentor meeting. Sometimes it's easier to ask questions from an AI than a human, not because they're more unpredictable, like the quiz said, but sometimes it is just easier. I'm not doing a demo today because I tried one yesterday, but it's difficult to read the screen. I'll just put up a video there so you guys can see how to use it. But what we do is based on all this data, and if a lot of you are doing the starter projects, we have enough data to kind of do a sentiment analysis around skills. So we know where you are getting stuck, and then the next mentor sessions will be attacking those issues.
How can you dodge the virtual internship program fees on STEMaway? If you're a grad student or higher, is it whipping out the secret code mentor? Is it playing this game, coming in the first 5 with full points and laughing like a supervillain? Is it attending an info session, winning the insightful question award and feeling like a quiz master? Or is it all of the above?
Yeah, that was
and
great.
The correct answer is all of the above.
So again, if you're a grad student and you want to be more of a mentor role in a team, but you still want to work with the team because that experience is awesome, and if you're a grad student applying in your area of expertise, let me clarify that as well. Years you'll have a whole team to execute with, and really everything about working with the team is so different from doing a project on your own.
What can the classifiers and recommender starter project do for your career? It'll turn you into an environmental conservation expert. It offers hands-on experience in NLP and machine learning, preparing you for your future life as a data science and AI rock star. How can taking on the code explanation engine, AWS web app, API Explorer, GPT exploration starter project turbocharge your career? Is it by providing a chance to gain mastery over API integration and serverless architecture on AWS, making you a Jedi Knight of the modern tech industry? You can't have your cake and eat it too.
Yeah, do take it with a pinch of salt, but yes, AWS is so much more complex than the other web applications out there. It's also the most industry relevant. So this time we decided, we have done Flask web apps and Streamlit apps before, but this time we are taking the jump and having all of you try out AWS. Yeah, this is another one that I really want to stress. Learning style. What is your learning style? In STEMaway, we believe in some things, but the one thing we believe true, I mean, it's kind of the highest thing priority for us is choice. So you pick your learning style. So in the starter projects, if you've already been through some of them, there are this code snippets and they're hidden. Like you have to click on an icon and actually see the code snippet. You can start in any way. So you can make every code snippet visible and start from there and kind of reverse engineer back and learn from there. You're welcome to try from scratch and then use our debugging sessions or debugging tools, the AI mentor that I just talked about, anything in between. Just if you don't yet have a learning style, this is the perfect platform, the perfect time to figure out what is that learning style for you. But this is very important. When you tackle the starter projects, one question is, what do I do? Maybe you've never done something like this where just the whole project is visible in front of you. The mentors have taken a lot of effort into creating something which you can manage on your own. You figure out what works for you.
Fantastic. The next question. How do you join the virtual internship? Is it paying me a 1 million bribe? Is it filling out the custom package at join.stemway.com? Is it exploring starter projects and doing one of the evaluations? Or is it most of the above? So the correct answer is most of the above. Unfortunately, paying me $1 million bribe, well, amazing, would not get you into a virtual internship. Finally, what are tasks on STEMaway? I know they're not sharp things that you step on. They're a way to connect with experts, alumni, and maybe even future employers. It's networking, but less painful. They're a tool to showcase your skills and make you shine brighter than a diamond in the rough. They give you insight into who's been checking you out in a completely professional way. Or is it all of the above because we like to keep things interesting? Nice work, everyone. And the correct answer is indeed all of the above.
And I know we haven't talked much about this beyond the virtual internships and all, the career connection part. How do you use the different parts? So anyone who has bought the custom package or the premium package, you have enough tags to take advantage of all our additional career tools. Let's focus on the starter projects for now, but you will see lots of opportunities come up, especially right after the virtual internships where we are doing all the showcasing. And that's where these tags come in. You can use these tags to push your career forward. Let's just put it as that.